This is also quite nice. When he sees the fish coming, then goes very fast inside. There's a special bag for the camera. All the camera equipment goes in here, right? And I usually also put my binoculars. The morning or the evening light is very warm light, and the bird was just basically sitting there, really catching the sunrise actually. So that's perfect. Why do I like the kingfisher? Because the kingfisher is not just a beautiful bird, but it's also an indicator for the water quality. So you will not see this bird if the quality of the water is not good enough, because the fish that this bird eats, these small fishes, they will not survive in bad quality water. So just now I heard the question, I was like, are they very rare? Well, they used to be more rare, but now they are slowly also recovering because water quality is getting much better. Since I joined the Huangpu team 4.5 years ago, even then, a lot of transformations have happened. What I've especially noticed is, the environment is getting nicer and nicer. We talk about the high-level development, the Gaozhiliang So with this, you bring more high-level talent here. We have the natural indicators. You can see the wildlife recovering and the birds along the rivers. You think like, you're in a first-tier city and you see this kind of amazing birds. My hometown in Germany, I sometimes feel, I don't think we have such a large variety even in my hometown. So I said, wow, it's quite special. To live in harmony with nature, is very important. It gives us all very important elements, and especially like doing sports or going hiking, etc. in the environment, in a beautiful environment. The environment gives back to us. These are natural indicators that things are moving in the right direction. You have a lot of parks here. You have a lot of greenways here. You can go. Yesterday afternoon I went for a quick 40-kilometer cycling. These kind of lanes here, and the way, the dedication with which they have been created, I think this is, first class. When you think about Greater Bay Area, it's only 56,000 square kilometers and, has a GDP similar to Italy. So you have this highly concentrated, highly productive area. So in the mind of many people, they think there must be one factory next to each other, but it's not the case. Of course, it's a development. You still have factories, of course, and you produce more and you produce higher value, but the higher value is also, not harming the environment. So this is ideal, and especially if we want to, attract more of the international talent, the smart people. They don't want to work in a horrible environment. So I hope we can see more of these green lanes and more of these cycling paths, more running paths, and so I can enjoy more.